Oh, that's beautiful. Woo! There's a lock that I can get to. Seriously, dude? It's over. There you go. You're welcome. It's probably that. What is going on, guys? So I am on my way to a tire change for a 2006, I think. Yeah, 2006 Toyota Avalon. Green in color. He's over at Geico, and this is going to be another call that I had from Geico. So I'm going to get to this customer and I'm going to help him with his flat tire. So I'll see you when I get to the customer. Alright. How's it going? That looks healthy. Yeah. If I can get a signature real quick. Alright, let me get some pictures. You got the spare tire? Alright. Oh, brand new tire. Close enough. I'm gonna check the tire pressure in that one real quick. So you're just getting off work? Oh, you're still at work. Yeah. Check this tire pressure. Oh yeah, that's low. Let's see. Toyota Avalon. Oh, there it is. You got everything hidden on this car. Gotta make sure I'm not hitting this person's car. Yeah, I think it was like your girlfriend or wife that also works here. Years ago? Oh, okay. So it's not the same person, because I had a text message from her as well. A little bit wet. Come on now. Get in there. Wow. Alright.
Yeah, I usually have to take them to Firestone because when I have to get new tires, because they do not like to come off.
Yeah. Yeah, these are. Well, that one came out.
Doesn't help because if they start to swell too.
Yeah. No, that's a different size. Try this again. Hey. Thank you. Oops. Oops, wrong way. Yeah. I love this impact gun. It's very strong.
That's what happened.
Oh. That's beautiful. If I had my tire patch kit and everything, I could patch it up. But it's coming in today. Mail hasn't even come yet.
Yeah, I know how that is.
There you go.
Get a new tire?
Yeah. Three and a half minutes. Well, at least you don't need brakes. Actually, probably need some brakes here in about maybe 10,000 miles. Yeah. And I just done a brake job on my car and everything, and now I need another one. With how much I travel and everything. I already put maybe about 20,000 miles on this car in 2 months. Yeah, I travel a lot.
Things break down a lot, unfortunately.
Yeah. I mean, you got a lot of people with flat tires, a lot of people that need jump starts. They're locking their keys in their trunk or in their car somewhere.
I had that happen about a month ago. The key fob system, generally you can't lock the keys in the car. But the problem comes in is when that key fob starts dying, it won't recognize the key fob's in the car.
Yeah.
And I closed the door and locked it without realizing the keys were in the cup holder.
Yeah. And Toyota Avalons, they're tricky to break into.
Yep. The guy got it, but yeah, he had to work with it too.
Yeah, because you gotta sit there and use the door handle. You gotta pull that and pull the door handle on the outside both at the same time to get it. Oh man, I don't like it at all because you see that door lock open and close, open close.
You're doing everything you can do right. You're fighting tooth and nail.
Yep. I've done one for a Honda Civic. They lock their keys in the trunk of the vehicle. And it's all electronic, so if you break into the vehicle, you can't open up the trunk to get to the key.
It immediately locks everything.
Yeah, and I didn't realize that there's a secret way to get into the trunk of the vehicle instead of taking half the back seat apart. I had a call from Jones County to go to that one, and that was that was interesting. Cut my.
Like a 30-minute call. So now we've been here for 2 hours.
Now, I've been there for about 50 minutes. We finally got into the trunk, but I cut myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 times on this hand. Using this hand to get underneath the seat to take some bolts out. But come to find out, when you get into the driver's side vehicle, there's a rubber, like right next to the door, there's that right here.
Right.
And you take that out, and then you take a screw out, and then you take the door key tumbler out, use a screwdriver to reach in there, lock and unlock the vehicle, disables the alarm. That way you can gain access to the trunk. I'm like, man, that would have been like a good 15-minute call right there, instead of 50 minutes. Yeah. Oh, stop. It's getting too hot to wear 2 layers of shirt.
Yeah, unfortunately, someone freaking doesn't care anything about what you want.
Yeah. Although I can't wait until my replacement shirts come in, because I was trying to put the lettering all over my shirt and everything, and on the back side where it says emergency roadside,
Right.
burnt right through my shirt. So I'm like, well, I gotta wear the safety vest again, because it doesn't look pretty back there.
There. But at least it lets people know that please don't hit me.
Exactly. And I do YouTube videos as well, and I have like an intro, and one part is where I was up on the side of I-75 and people just didn't want to slow down, move over. I'm like, seriously? Like, holding my hands out, like, really?
Right here. You cannot tell me you can't see me.
Yeah. I mean, with my lights activated and everything, people still don't do that shit.
They're not paying attention.
No. Either they're not paying attention or they really don't care.
A little bit of column A, a little bit from column B.
Yeah. One more minute. You know, my ex-girlfriend, I think she still works here. Not sure. I think she might still be in this building or probably in that building.
It's hard to tell anymore.
Yeah.
They were supposed to sell that building, but that fell through, I guess. They don't know.
I don't even know. And I know you can't remember everybody's names because there's a shit ton of people that work here.
That and different departments.
Yeah. Because what, you got claims, sales, service,
Depending on which building you're talking about, you got maybe all the southwest over there and all the southeast on the other side.
yeah. I know y'all deal with all sorts of interesting insurance claims too.
More mundane than you think till you get to the unfortunate situation where people die.
Yeah.
And it is just depressing the whole way through.
Yep.
You gotta decide, hey, how much is a human's life worth? And there's no good answer for that.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I'm with Progressive, and one night I was driving up 247, and a dog happened to come right into the middle of the road, and I only had like a second and a half to react, and it was too late. Smacked right into the dog and knocked out my whole front bumper, my condenser, my radiator. And I'm like, man, this sucks. And then tried making an insurance claim. Come to find out, my deductible was $2,000. So when I explained the damage of the accident and everything to claims. They were like, oh, well, based on the description that you're giving me of the damage, it might be a total loss. And I was like, don't tell me that. Really, don't tell me that. They said take it to a collision center and see how much the repair cost would be. Took it over to 5 Star Collision. They said $2,085.
So you're paying $85.
Yeah, I'm paying $85. Or no, insurance. Yeah, and I have to pay $2,000 deductible. And I'm like, man, I'm not spending $2,000 on that. For about $840, I've done the whole front end myself. With a new AC compressor too, because that went out on me.
Or more important, somebody crossed 3 lanes of traffic and are stopped in front of me.
Oh man.
That was years ago, so that's a problem.
Yeah. I got some bad news on this one.
Does it have a hole in it too?
Right there.
Dang it.
Yeah, that's why they marked it over here. What time do you get off?
I don't get off till 4.
Till 4?
Yeah.
Hey. So I'm trying to think, like, I have the tire repair kit that's supposed to come in, and around 4 o'clock is when the mail lady comes. And I could fix that tire.
I mean, I don't mind hanging out.
All right.
Either way, can't use that.
You can't use that at all.
Can't use that.
You ain't got no other spare, right?
No, those are the only two.
Dang.
If you don't mind coming back, I'll just wait.
Yeah, I don't mind coming back and everything. I'll get in contact with you when I get the thing in.
Alright.
And I'll put the tire on. That way I don't have to take it off. Well, probably do need to take it off to repair it.
Probably.
Yeah. And I could put that tire back on. That way I can lower the vehicle back down and then come back later on today.
I'll just hang it out until you get back.
Alright. That sucks. I love switching back and forth. Give it to me. Huh?
I'm sorry, that thing takes.
Yeah, it's fine. Get in there. Alright. Yeah, and I'll be back later on tonight. Alright. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey, I need the mileage of the vehicle when I put this up. And I need the VIN too. They don't have the VIN number. There you go. There you go. Alright. Yep. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Come on now. There you go. Oops. Alright, so I'll be back later on today for this customer because I got my tire repair kit that's coming in, and so I'll get his new tire on when I get my package in the mail. Be able to put a new tire on. But as always, I'll see you guys later on this one. This is going to be fun repairing his tire. So I'll see you guys pretty soon. Alright y'all, so I am about to the customer again. I got my tire repair kit in the mail, so I'm just gonna sneak around back. He just got off work, so this is awesome. Private property, no trespassing. Oh, why not? But yeah, customer had something in his tire. He had another tire, but that's got a hole on the side, so I couldn't change the tire. So once I got the tire repair kit in, I told him that I'm going to be on my way back over there to repair his tire. So let's get back to the customer. Alright. So I'm back at the customer's vehicle. The customer is not here, but he knows that I'm here to fix his tire. So let's get going on that. Oh, car's a little dirty. He says he gets off at 4, so... I wonder what that rattling noise is. I think I know this customer. Oh, crap. I think I know this customer because I think I've done a lockout for him at one time, because it looks similar to the vehicle that I've done before. I don't know, and he comes back out here and everything. Oh, there he is. Gotta love it when I'm trying to get to... Oh shit, I just hit the car. Yeah. The other one's 21. Alright. Hey, I'm back. Yeah. Let's see. Here's my... I'll try using needle nose. If I can get it out. Dang, this long. I can't believe how long this thing is. Oh, it's something that was supposed to hold on to a piece of rope. Souvenir. Need a backpack. I hate it when it's all oily. I guess one of your coworkers are coming. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Yep. I hate it when it's so freaking slippery. There you go. Put that there. This one should be the same PSI, right? Yep. Come on now. Now I'm gonna back up so that he can get out.
Right.
I love this business. Actually, I think I recognize you from that lockout. Right off of I-75 at that little shopping. Yeah. And that was fun. Now I was going back to my shop, and I was like, I recognize him and the vehicle. Yeah. Crap. Well, hopefully it holds there.
At least long enough where I can use the wheels for it.
Yeah. Hey, get them Kumos. Get them Kumos. Kumo tires. They're really good tires. I had these tires put on at around 65,000 miles. And right now I'm at like 106,000 miles, and we still got a lot of tread.
Where'd you get it from?
Amazon. So I ordered it on Amazon. It came in, and I took it to Walmart and have them change it and balance it. But it's like,
I didn't realize you could do it. I didn't think about the fact you could do that.
yeah.
You just have to make sure you can order for the right vehicle when you're set.
Yeah. But yeah, I was like, the tires that came with the vehicle when I got it, the whole sidewall was all dry rotted and cracking away, and I'm like, I need to get new tires. And went to, what was it, Discount Tire?
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, it's going to be $189 per tire. I was like, you got...
A discount.
I was like, nah. I went online, $115 per tire on Amazon. Paid $15, maybe $20 per tire for mountain balance.
This one, $400 for 2 tires?
Shit. That's a lot.
And I believe this was because they didn't have them in, they had to order to do all that stuff?
Yeah, special order. Yeah. There's one of my buddies.
Tires are tires are tires.
Yeah.
As long as we get you from point A to point B.
Yep. It's going to Gilmer. I used to work at the tissue plant down there off of 247, and that's one of my buddies that drives the truck, getting tissue and delivering it to the warehouse over here, and then from here it gets shipped out to the customers.
I didn't even realize there was a 50 point warehouse over there.
Yeah. Well, that right next door is like a massive warehouse, but they don't have just a set kind of warehouse and everything. So it's like 6 or 7 different warehouses all in one building.
Is that what they turned that old Rollins and Williams into? Okay, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Because I wonder what they were doing with it, considering it's been sitting there for years.
Yeah.
No, makes perfect sense.
Yeah. They sold the whole property, and then multiple companies decided to buy out the whole thing. And when I was working over at a sheet metal plant and everything, we were called out to work on the gutters and everything on that building.
That also seems like not just rotted to the too.
Yeah.
I've long since thought it had just been abandoned to the waste.
Yeah. There's a lot of buildings around here in Macon that are just abandoned, and they don't want to do anything about it.
Especially downtown.
Yeah.
And we've given up.
Yep.
Completely and totally.
Yeah. And around the, what was it, the steel plant? It's like across the street, they have a warehouse that burnt down, but they still have it standing up over there. It's like, why not just demolish the whole thing?
Because it would cost money to do the rest.
Yeah. Let's see here. Alright. Might need 2 patches in this one. Get in there. Oh, it's biting me. Hey. Oh man, this is fun. Get in there. Get in there. Maybe you can do it. You can get this damn thing right in. It's got air pressure. I'm trying to let out the air.
You press it in?
Yeah, press it all the way in. Damn.
It's not wanting to move.
There he goes. Where's the... There it is. Hmm. Hmm. Get in there. There. Maybe that seals it better. It's a good thing I got a lot of water.
Wind may be blowing now, but it was 80 degrees like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it when it's...
Closer to 70.
The what?
Closer to 70 and not asphalt melting.
Yeah.
We're not even in summer yet.
Not yet, but it's getting close. The what?
Got about a month before we get real heat.
Yeah. Yeah, I like summer much better than winter because during the summer you could take so much off, but during the winter you got to put a lot of stuff on, especially in this kind of business and everything. It's got to be out in rain, cold, heat. Couldn't do it. Ew. That's good. Well, good news is it's patched up. It's good.
Bad news is you get to buy 2 tires.
Yeah.
They're way worse things than dealing with the car.
Yeah.
At least the tires easily replaceable.
Yes. Engines, no.
Engine, transmission, most stuff in the front end of that.
Yeah. Huh, I never noticed that on the back of your car. Little button here.
Yeah, that pops the trunk.
Yeah. They don't have no key or anything, it's just push button.
Yeah, there's not a key at all for it. Which was also irritating because if you can't get in the car, you can't pop this.
Yeah, exactly.
Another problem with the key fob dies. When it got to the point where it was eating batteries, so it was dead.
Yeah.
I'm sure you know, key fobs are expensive.
Yeah, they are. Luckily for Kias and everything, it's not that expensive. I can go online, about $28 on Amazon, get two fobs. And I gotta find a place to get it, etched out.
Right.
And then I can easily program it into my car.
This thing is an irritating factor garbage because you can't just buy a what is it called? You can't just buy a generic one.
No, you can't.
It needs to be a Toyota version of it. Good news is you can buy them. It was actually cheaper than the what's called it, but you can't just buy whatever for it. You have to get a specific what's called it version of it. And that was
Yeah, it's like OEM version, yeah.
Yep. And that's still, like, I was gonna try buying one from the like Kroger and stuff like that.
Yeah.
$200.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
90% of that is they use that as just programming.
Yeah. You know, first my dad, he had a 2008 Dodge Challenger, and one day he went to go try cranking the car up, and going to work wouldn't work. Like he'll turn it, like everything turns on, but he can't turn the vehicle over. And because it was still under warranty and everything, they had to tow my dad's car to the dealership to reprogram the key fobs in order for him to actually start the vehicle.
If he decided at one point, no, I don't want to work anymore.
Yeah. And they're on Chryslers, Dodges, and Jeeps. So those three vehicles, if the key fob don't work no more, you have to get the vehicle towed and get it reprogrammed. But luckily, my dad had the warranty, because if he didn't have a warranty, that would be $800 for reprogramming.
Yeah. The car can sit there for all of that.
Yeah. You know, I had a lockout call for, what was it? It was a Dodge Ram, and he said that his lock and panic button work, but the unlock button don't work no more on the key fob. I'm like, let me see the key fob real quick. So I grabbed it. I was like, you know, this thing has a key inside it. He's like, really? I was like, yeah, you just flip this little tab and then pull out the key and then unlock the vehicle.
Right.
I'm like, that's easy $20 paying job right there.
No, and you think that should be more common knowledge, but it is not.
No. Almost filled. 1 more minute. Yeah, exactly. You know, you could.
God bless those people who are out on the side of the highway and something like this happens.
Yeah.
SOL.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I had one call all the way down there in Cordele, and it's outside my service area, but dispatch told me it's up off of I-75 in Warner Robins. So I'm sitting there going south I-75 trying to find this customer. I'm like, where the hell is this customer? So I messaged dispatch. I was like, what's the true address of this customer? So I'm still going south I-75, and then I was like, I don't see anything on the notes of their exact location, so I'll call the customer. Called the customer, and he said that he's close to exit 102. I'm like, yeah, that's like an hour drive from where I'm at. So after I got that job done and everything, I checked out. I was like, I'm not doing any more calls, and I got on the phone with dispatch and everything, saying that I want compensation for the trip, because that was a long freaking trip.
One way.
Yeah. I had another one where, what was it? They said the customer was on Gray Highway. Not on Gray Highway. It's on I-75, going south, right when you get off of, or what was it, past the Y-split for 475 and everything. That customer was over there, not on Gray Highway.
How did they make that up?
I don't even know.
Tell you whatever you figure out.
Yeah. All right. Give it to me. Give it to me. Alright. You are good to go.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
You didn't have to come back out here.
Yeah, but you know, I had the tire repair kit on the way anyways. The company paid for it, so I'm like, when am I getting it? They provided the the tracking number. Then I saw it was being delivered today, so I'm like, oh yeah, I get to do all that. Well, at least it worked out.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, man. All right, you do the same. Oh, get out there. All right. That customer is good to go. Got his tire patched up and aired up. He's good to go. Got his tire back on, lowered it down. He's holding air, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the house. Actually, stop by McDonald's, get me something to eat. Dang it. But get to the house after I get something to eat, and I'll chill out until my next call. It's been quiet today, so it is what it is right there. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless.